Hi, I'm Dr. Jha from Renewal Clinic in Leamington Spa. Today we are meeting this beautiful lady, Holly. She has consented to be on the video. She presented to me with multiple age spots scattered all over the front of her chest, the back, upper hips and so on. And she has had two big sessions where she spent about over an hour each time, spaced between a week to 10 days in between the two treatments, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was.
Where we applied numbing cream for an hour and then we did the treatment.
Yeah.
You fully recovered, your results are apparent.
Yeah.
I know you love the results.
Yes.
What would you like to tell the viewers who have age spots all over their body, trunk, breast, whatever? What would you like to tell the viewers? Tell them everything.
Okay, well, initially I was really nervous. I had a bit of anxiety about getting so many done, and I'd gone to a lot of places that wouldn't do everything. So when I came here and Dr. Jha said that he could do all of them, I was really pleased with that, and it was a good price considering other places I'd researched. And then I came here. Dr. Jha has been amazing, and also his assistants have been great. They have completely looked after me, and they have removed all of. Initially, I actually had black bits all over me where the surgery had been done, but after a couple of weeks and putting all of the creams on, they all just fell off, and my skin was a little bit red, and then over time it just has all gone back to normal. I still have a few marks where it's going to take a while just to even out the skin tone.
Correct.
But for me, I was just really pleased because you were able to do all of them, like you said, within a decent price, and I've had no issues with anything. Got given lots of cream, and yeah, I'll come back here today for a consultation to see how the back and the front are looking. Any ones that were missed, you've sorted out, so I'm really happy with the results.
Good. Okay. So if you're watching out there, you got age spots on your body, trunk, or sometimes they occur on the face, temple, even scalp. So see a GP, get a diagnosis that they are seborrheic keratosis or age spots, and get it done professionally by a professional reputed clinic.
Yeah, I definitely recommend you guys.
Thank you. Thank you for doing that. Thank you, Holly.
No problem.
Thank you.